एक मैजिकल स्विच वर्ड जो आपकी लाइफ में लेकर आएगा फिजिकल वेलनेस, फ्रीडम फ्रॉम इलनेस एंड अ लॉट मोर. सो व्हाट आर वी वेटिंग फॉर? I'm going to give you today a Vedic switch word. एक ऐसा Vedic switch word जिसे हम मानते हैं it's an all-in-one doctor, which means it will diagnose you, it will send you the healing you need, and if you need a doctor, it will guide you towards the right one. So आपको कुछ ज्यादा नहीं करना है. Just pick up a mala if you have one, या फिर अपने fingertips पे count करो and chant Ashvina, 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 Ashvina. And remember guys, intention is very important. So before you sit for chanting, simply close your eyes, connect with the divine and ask them to help you heal with the power of this particular Vedic switch word. Well, ऐसा एक बहुत बड़ा भंडार है. So to know more, stay tuned, stay connected and join us for the Vedic switch word program. Take care and stay safe.